full day ripping the track here in Idaho, this GasGas 450 has been through it all. Dust, dirt, mud, and everything in between. It's the kind of mess that's tough to tackle unless you've got slick products. We start the cleanup with our super concentrated off-road wash, the same formula trusted by riders, racers, and off-road enthusiasts everywhere. Paired with our pressure washer foam cannon, it delivers a thick, rich foam that completely blankets the bike from top to bottom. This isn't just for show. Our foam is designed to cling to every surface, lifting away caked-on grime, breaking down dirt, and loosening stubborn debris in seconds. After letting the foam work its magic, we hit it with a quick but thorough rinse, revealing a bike that's already looking like it just rolled out of the shop. No harsh scrubbing, no damaging chemicals, just a safe, effective clean that works on plastics, metals, rubber, and more. Next, we step it up with our shine and protectant spray. This final touch restores the deep, vibrant color of your plastics, adds a glossy showroom finish, and lays down a protective barrier against UV rays and the elements. That means your ride isn't just clean today, it's protected for the rides ahead. And we don't stop with the bike. We take that same system to our gear, like these white motocross boots. After a long day on the track, they're filthy. But with a coat of foam, a quick rinse, and a light application of shine and protectant, they're back to looking crisp, bright, and ready for the next race. Whether you're coming off a muddy trail, a dusty desert run, or a full day at the track, Slick Products gives you the tools to get your ride and your gear looking its absolute best, fast. So keep riding hard, keep getting dirty, and let Slick Products handle the cleanup. Grab your kit today at slickproductsusa.com and see the difference for yourself.